Welcome to third standard science class video session. In today's session, we are going to learn about plants and their habitat. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn the topic plants and their habitat. What is a habitat? The area or the natural environment in which an organism or population normally lives is called its habitat. We have seen that animals, plants, birds, and the insects survive because they adapt to their surroundings. In this session, we are going to learn about plants' habitat. The plants are classified as terrestrial, which refer the plants that live on land, aquatic, the plants which live in water. Now let us learn in detail about plants and their habitat. Plants grow almost everywhere on earth, that is on land. They are called terrestrial plant, and in water they are called aquatic plants. The plants adapt to their surroundings and hence have special characteristics based on their habitat. The natural home of a plant is called its habitat. Plants make suitable adjustment with their surroundings to meet their requirements. This is known as adaptations. So what does mean by adaptations? The plants make suitable adjustment with the surroundings to meet their requirements. This is known as adaptation. Now let us learn more detail about terrestrial or land plants. The plants that grow on the land are of different habitats such as deserts, plains, mountains, and forests. Let us learn about the adaptation of different land plants. First, let us learn about plants in desert and their adaptation. These plants grow in hot, dry, and sandy places. Deserts get very less rainfall and experiences high temperature. Hence, there is a scarcity of water. Let us see how these plants have adapted to this habitat. The first thing, the leaves of these plants are changed to spines. This is because to reduce the loss of water. The stem is green and fleshy, which will help to store water and produce food. These plants have a long root that goes deep into the soil. Opuntia, date palm, and aloe vera are some of examples for plants that live in desert. Next, we are going to learn about plants on mountain. These plants grow in cold and freezing places. There is a cool weather in mountain. Let us see how these plants have adapted to this habitat. These trees are conical in shape. This shape allows snow to slide from the trees easily. Needle-like leaves help them to survive in cold conditions like snow. These trees do not shed leaves. They have cones instead of flowers. These cones protect the seeds during harsh winter. Example for this type of plants, pine tree. Next, let us learn about plants in plains. Plants in plains need to adapt to both dry conditions and extreme temperature. They grow in warmer climate and usually shed their leaves in winter to protect themselves from cold. They have flat and broad leaves. They have thick and woody stem. Examples for these types of plants are mango, banyan, and teak tree. Do you know, children, banyan, peepal and tamarind trees live more than 100 years. What are the trees? Banyan, peepal and tamarind trees live more than 100 years. Now let us learn some of the characteristics of plants in coastal areas. Coastal means the region near to the sea. They are tall and mostly straight. The leaves are called frond. The frond look like feathers meant for protection from wind. These plants tolerate to saline, which means a salt water. Example for that coastal area plant, it is coconut tree. There are many plant habitats around the world, including forest, woodlands, grasslands and deserts. This determines the climate or yearly weather pattern in a region. Trees grow best in forests and woodlands because of the amount of water available here in this region. So plants adapt or adjust to their surroundings. This helps them to live and grow. A particular place or a specific habitat calls for specific conditions, and adapting to such condition helps the plants to survive. If the habitat changes drastically, the plant species must adapt, otherwise they would not survive. I hope you got clear information about plants and their habitat. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.